We are at Valyou Furniture here in the Ka Makana Ali'i shopping center. You gotta see the furniture in here, guys. It's so unlike any other furniture that you've ever seen. Costco, Sam's Club got nothing on this place. They got style, it's upscale, it's affordable, it's light, it's very unique. And it matches with every decor. Check out Valyou Furniture here, guys. You will not regret it. See Lily, she'll be very eager to help you. Okay, thanks guys. That is
What's your name? Lily.
There's Lily. She set up every furniture in here, guys. Every piece. So come see her down here at Valyou in the Ka Makana Ali'i shopping center. Wow, they got a lot of cool stuff here. Well, let's show you this first. Look at this cabinet. It is awesome. I like that. Okay, let's do a quick walkthrough. Oh, wow.
All these?
You did all this? What's this?
These are covers for the couch.
Okay.
Yeah, so all the covers come
Oh my
off
gosh.
on the couch from head to toe. So if you ever want
Nice.
to change the color, mix it up, you can.
I
So
like.
it's really fun. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So how's the business here? Everybody been coming in and
Yeah. Weekends
like
are a lot busier.
yeah, so
But
check in and Lily will help you. There she is. All right.
But we also have an online store.
Oh, you do? Okay, she has an online store as well, guys.
ValueHawaii.com.
Yeah, check it out. Look at this furniture. The selection is unlike anything you've seen in any furniture store here in Hawaii. It's upscale but affordable.
Yes.
Yeah. And then they have these little cute models where you can kind of figure out where you can put your chair. See, little cute little Beetlejuice vibes.